In this video, I'm going to cover a brief overview of the TubeWriter and then a couple basic troubleshooting steps. First thing is, once you open up that safety cage, you'll see all of the internal pieces of the TubeWriter. On the front of the machine, you've got your two black knobs that control the stage and allow it to move left and right, forwards and backwards. This left knob right here, when you twist it, it allows the stage to move left and right. The right knob on the front, when you twist it, allows the stage to move forwards and backwards. If you ever are trying to manually move the stage and you notice that it's not moving as quickly as it should, like you see right now, you may be what's called step mode. If you press these knobs in for 3 seconds and then release them, it's now in step mode, and when I twist, it does not continue in a continuous fluid movement. If I want to take it out of step mode, I'll press them in for 3 seconds again and then release them, and when I twist it, now it moves in a fluid movement again. In this mode, if you want to stop the stage, you just press it in once to stop the stage from moving. Over here, you've got your emergency stop button. If you see this light, that means the emergency stop is not pressed in and is not pushed. If I push it in, you'll notice that the light goes off and the power to the system is no longer active. To release it, you'll want to go ahead and just twist that and it'll pop back out, and you'll notice the light came back on. If you ever have to hit the emergency stop, you will want to make sure that you power cycle the machine with the power switch on the back side of the TubeWriter, and then also close the software and relaunch the software. And then a couple basic troubleshooting steps. If you're ever having issues with the system, check these things out first, and if you're still having issues, feel free to call us. One would be to make sure that your emergency stop is not pressed in, that you have that light showing. Two is that you've got your print head as close to the tubes as possible while printing, and that you have your ink cartridge inserted properly. If your ink cartridge isn't inserted properly, you won't get those flashing 3 green lights like I mentioned in my previous video about inserting the ink cartridge. Last thing would be to make sure that all of your cords are connected firmly to the back of the TubeWriter, the internal pieces, and most importantly, that USB cord is plugged into your laptop or PC. If you've checked all of these things and you're still having issues with your machine, please give us a call or reach out, and we're happy to hop on a call to help troubleshoot and resolve the issue.